Hello and welcome back to the Rise and Fall of Microtrends. This week we'll be talking about recommendation algorithms on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, and how they play a pivotal role in the rapid rise and spread of microtrends. Here's a breakdown of how they influence the life cycle of trends. So the first major influence is personalized content discovery. With data-driven insights, these algorithms track user behaviors such as likes, shares, and watch time to curate personalized feeds, showing users content that aligns with their interests. This highly tailored approach increases the chances that a specific piece of content, whether it's a fashion style, dance challenge, or niche hobby, resonates with individuals who are more likely to engage with it. And with virality amplification, as users engage with a trend, the algorithm further promotes it to similar audiences, creating a snowball effect. The next big influence is the rapid evolution of microtrends. Niche identification is when microtrends emerge from subcultures or niche communities that algorithms are particularly good at identifying and amplifying. For example, TikTok's For You page often services hyper-specific content like particular aesthetics such as Y2K fashion, which wouldn't necessarily reach mainstream audiences through traditional media. Quick iteration happens because algorithms favor content that receives high engagement, which causes trends to evolve rapidly. Users often remix, adapt, or even parody trending content, leading to variations that keep the trend fresh and dynamic. These mutations can create subtrends or new microtrends that emerge as fast as the others fade. So with feedback loop and trend acceleration, engagement-driven popularity is where algorithms prioritize content based on engagement metrics, including likes, comments, shares, and views. This creates a feedback loop where popular content continues to be surfaced, giving microtrends more traction. The more people interact with the trend, the more likely it is to reach a wider audience. And the influencer and creator ecosystem is when platforms incentivize influencers and creators to produce viral content, often by recommending posts that are likely to perform well based on past engagement. These creators help to solidify and spread microtrends, amplifying their reach across various demographics. The trend lifecycle, acceleration and decay, talks about short-lived trends, which happens because algorithms reward novelty and engagement. Microtrends can appear and fade within a matter of weeks or months. Once a trend reaches peak saturation, when it becomes overexposed, it may start to lose engagement, leading to its decline. The algorithm in turn shifts focus to the next emerging trend, often causing the lifecycle of trends to be highly compressed. Along with that, reinvention and nostalgia is another major factor. As trends fade, they can also resurface with a new twist. Older microtrends can be reintroduced through algorithmic recommendations based on nostalgia or reinterpretation. For example, fashion trends from the 90s or early 2000s have experienced multiple resurgences thanks to the algorithm's ability to surface past content to users with similar tastes. Lastly, social proof and trend validation is the final major factor. Cross-platform amplification is because trends often don't stay confined to a single platform. As algorithms on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest detect similar patterns, such as viral hashtags or video styles, they surface the same or similar content across platforms, reinforcing trends in different contexts. This cross-pollination helps validate trends and makes them more mainstream, while also ensuring that microtrends reach a wider, more diverse audience. With that, influencer validation is when prominent influencers or celebrities adopt a microtrend. Their content is heavily promoted by algorithms. This serves as a form of social proof, accelerating the trend's mainstream adoption and sometimes leading to its peak, shaping how culture evolves in real time. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week on the Rise and Fall of Microtrends.